Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video we will see two ways to swap two numbers without temp variable. So first way is using arithmetic operators. We are using simple calculations. First we will be declaring, first we have declared a and b and assigned values in a and b variables. Assigned in a plus b. Then it will be, a's value will be 8. Then we have assigned b with a minus b and value of b will be 5. And then again we have assigned our a with a minus b, where value of a will be 3. So our swap operation has been done here. Value of a is 3, which was value of b, and value of b is 5, which is value of a. So we have done swapping without any extra temporary variable. So here we are printing our value of a and b. Next way is using XOR operator, and we have declared two more variables, x and y, have assigned value in it 5 and 3. Then what we are doing in x, first we are assigning x XOR y value, which will be 6. In x what will be there? 6. First of all, x value is 6. Then again we have assigned x XOR y in y. Now what will be the value of y? Y will be 5. Then again what we are doing, x XOR y. Now our value of x is 3. Third, swapping is done, and we are printing value of x and y. So these are two simple ways to swap two numbers without using any temporary variable. So if you have liked this video, then like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.